Well, I hope that you know that you died in my dream. We were both in the grass where the wind took you and put you in my past. So just breathe, just breathe.